Welcome to this introduction to Ethereum. In this video, we'll explore what Ethereum is and why it's often called the world computer platform. Ethereum represents one of the most significant innovations in blockchain technology, going far beyond what traditional cryptocurrencies offer. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables developers to build and deploy programmable applications. Unlike traditional systems that rely on central servers, Ethereum operates as a global network that is programmable, secure, and always running. It creates a trustless environment where applications can execute without requiring intermediaries or central authorities. Ethereum is often described as the world computer. Imagine a single, global computer that no one owns and everyone can use. This computer runs continuously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's accessible from anywhere in the world and is resistant to censorship. This means no single entity can shut it down or control what happens on the network. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are both blockchain technologies, they serve different purposes. Bitcoin was designed primarily as a digital currency for peer-to-peer payments and as a store of value. Ethereum, on the other hand, is a programmable platform designed for building decentralized applications and executing smart contracts. Think of Bitcoin as digital money, while Ethereum is an entire computing platform. At the heart of Ethereum are smart contracts. These are self-executing programs that automatically run when predetermined conditions are met. Think of them as digital agreements that execute themselves. For example, if a certain condition is met, then a specific action is automatically executed. This eliminates the need for intermediaries and ensures that agreements are carried out exactly as programmed. The Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM, is the runtime environment that executes smart contracts on the Ethereum network. It processes all transactions, enforces the rules of the network, and ensures everything runs correctly. The EVM is distributed globally across thousands of computers, making it incredibly resilient and secure. Ethereum has several key features that make it powerful. First, it's decentralized, meaning no central authority controls the network. Second, it's programmable, allowing developers to build custom applications and logic. Third, it's immutable, meaning transactions cannot be altered or deleted once confirmed. And finally, it's permissionless, meaning anyone can participate without needing approval from a central authority. Ethereum uses a consensus mechanism called proof of stake. In this system, validators stake ETH, the network's currency, to secure the network and validate transactions. This approach is significantly more energy efficient than traditional mining, more secure against certain types of attacks, and more scalable for future growth. Validators are rewarded for honest behavior and can be penalized for dishonest actions. Ethereum powers a wide variety of applications. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, enables financial services without traditional banks. NFTs allow for digital ownership and collectibles with verifiable authenticity. Blockchain-based games create new gaming experiences with true asset ownership. And decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, enable new forms of governance and collective decision-making. Ether, abbreviated as ETH, is the native cryptocurrency that powers the Ethereum network. It serves multiple purposes. First, it's used to pay transaction fees, called gas, which compensate validators for processing transactions. Second, it functions as a store of value, similar to other cryptocurrencies. And third, it can be staked by validators to help secure the network and earn rewards. Decentralization provides several critical benefits. There is no single point of failure or control, making the network extremely resilient. The system is censorship resistant, meaning it cannot be shut down or blocked by any single entity. It's trustless, meaning you don't need to trust intermediaries to execute agreements. And it's transparent, with all transactions being publicly verifiable on the blockchain. To summarize, Ethereum is a programmable blockchain platform that enables decentralized applications through smart contracts and the Ethereum virtual machine. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about computing and applications, creating a world computer for a decentralized future. Thank you for watching this introduction to Ethereum.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.